Modern bathrooms and TikTok bathrooms are two of the more discussed topics on social media today. With popularity of social media and the internet, there is a growing demand for aesthetics and personalization. Both of these topics are products that fit this phenomenon. Modern bathrooms are often simple and clean in design, are seen by many as a symbol of high-end and luxury. Often use simple materials and colors. Fixtures as toilets are often hidden in walls or some sort of architectural structure. Modern bathrooms are considered to be perfect combine of function and aesthetics. The TikTok bathroom focuses more on individual expression. TikTok bathrooms emphasize the expression of color, the details of decoration, the practicality of function, and the specificity of things. This bathroom design often includes attractive-looking fixtures, wallpaper or sanitary items. Modern bathrooms and TikTok bathrooms, and a variety of personalized stickers and posters on the walls. TikTok bathrooms often use modern technology such as mirror screens and bathroom sound systems. Modern bathroom and TikTok bathroom designs are rapidly evolving, a function of technological creativity in social media. Whether prefer modern or minimal style, the importance of the bathroom is the daily life of modern people. Follow us and get more details.